Good morning. It's actually evening, and sorry for the wobbly picture because I keep knocking this stand on everything. So, a couple of things. Looks like the broody broke again. Her nest got disturbed and all of her eggs were taken. And I was going to move her into the broody coop tonight, but she's back up on the roost. So, I'll come over and introduce you to the flock. I think the last time that I talked about them was last, let's see. Hi guys. Okay, who we got up there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then 24, 25, 26 in the coop. 27 and 28, that's 2 broodies. Looks like we're down by 1, so maybe she didn't go back up. Or it's entirely possible that she is up on top. I don't think so, though. Let me count again. Let's see if... Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so there's 24 up there. So 25, 26, 27 in the coop, 28, 29 are the 2 broodies, and that makes it everybody. So she is up there. Okay, because I was not seeing one. I was hiding behind some of the others, but then I saw a pair of legs. So it looks like she is back up there. If she goes broody again, hold on. If she goes broody again, I will need to decide. This is 3 times that she's picked the wrong spot to go broody, and her eggs have been taken. So I need to decide whether to move her into the broody coop. Now, the first time she went broody, I tried to move her into the broody coop and she broke, which means that she stopped being broody. So if she's always going to break, if I move her, then the only way she's ever going to be able to sit on eggs is if she does a hidden nest, which if she does that, whatever. Okay, so that's that group. And then we have the fun part. Something got into she was in a dog kennel in the garage, and that's just where she decided to go broody. And then last night I got home late, so I wasn't able to close the kennel door, and something got in and took her eggs, and then we'll see, because this is 3 times that she's gone broody, and I need to find out what kind of a mom she's going to make. Is she going to be able to sit on eggs for a full 21 days and then take care of the babies? So this right here, the bucket or the bin with the chick food under it, that is so that the adults can't get into their food, because I'm expecting the adults to find most of their own food. Okay, come on, boy, here. Come on. Yeah, you go in. You go in here. Hi. Are you gonna go in there? Go on. Go on. You're not supposed to go in there. You're not supposed to go in there. Sorry. Okay, I'll have to cut that out. This is the other broody, and she is not sitting on any eggs. Her eggs are in the incubator. So I need to, there she is. Okay, I'm going to close this so that he doesn't get out. And she, that big one, needs to, all right, I need to get a stick. Okay, so let's open the door. Open the door to the other, oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Yeah, go on, I opened the door for you. They had, because I didn't get home last night, they had to find another place to roost, and it was inside this other coop. So these guys were hatched 3 weeks ago? I don't know. Hi. Hi, guys. You guys are fast. You guys are much faster than me. Okay. Okay, and this is the other broody, and she's going to start hissing. Hey, how are you taking good care of your babies? Yeah, you're taking such good care of your babies. I'm so glad. That's a good thing. Okay, come on, penguin. This little guy, let's get in a little bit closer. He looks like the penguin in Batman, is the way his face is. Okay. Come on, penguin. Come on. Come on. Anyway, there are 3 in here. There are 2 more that age group. Come on. Come on, baby. He's still eating. He's still foraging, which is completely understandable because he missed dinner. Hey, girl, are you coming? You gonna come? Gonna come to your house? Come on. Yeah, there's food in your house. She's like, I'm not interested. I am full. If you look really close, see if I can get her. You can see her full crop. Her crop is very, very full. Okay. All right. So I will leave her there for the moment. And this broody, you can see, I don't know if you can see her babies peeking out. Mom, let me go. That wing is heavy. And then there's another one underneath sticking his butt out. Yeah. And Mom is like, don't you dare go close to my babies. Because she's done that before. Claws and beak and wings, and just, she will not let me anywhere near her babies. Which is fine, because that means that she will protect them, and that is what is needed. Hi. Hi, guys. The others are around the corner. except for the ones that are in here. Yep. And I need to go rescue a young lady. Where did she go? Did she find her way out? I didn't see her. One of the young pullets is getting too big to fit through the fence. Oh, it's just a shame. She's getting too big. She's right there. She's getting too big to fit through the fence. And she was running back and forth trying to find a way through. So I'm going to pause you. Be right back. There they are. Hi, babies. Well, that wasn't what I was intending to do. Oh, there they go. Here she goes. Okay. Anyway, so the chicken project proceeds. We've got 2 more kids to come in this coop right here. The adults are all in the rafters. 2 boys in here, and a 3rd one will probably go in there tonight. And I need to come over here and open a gate so that that little girl can get out. She's been out there, even when I fed them, she couldn't get through. She was fighting to get through. Hey, girl. Yeah, I'm letting you out. I am letting you out. All right, there we go. Okay, now she's going to run back into that bush. So I will leave the gate open for a little while and let her find her own way. Hey, Mom. It is so cute to see a mom with her babies. The others were not the ones that are not her babies. The bigger ones, they are. And she's gonna scare them away. They are incubator babies, so they hatched in an incubator. And hey, kids. What are you doing sitting like that? That's not normal. Okay, so I am going to just keep that gate, leave that gate open. All the adults are up and they're not allowed back here. So I can open the gate now and they will not get back here. I'm cultivating yarrow. Much rather have a yarrow than grass. Okay. All right, so the chicken project is coming along. I now have 5 birds that have gone broody, and 4 of them have proven themselves as moms, and 1 tried to go, she had a really good nest, but something found it. And so I guess it really wasn't all that great if something found it, but she broke. So no, I guess it's 5, 2 of them have broken and not gone broody again yet. But if they go broody once, they're more likely to go broody again in a couple of weeks or a couple of months. If a chicken goes broody once a year, just using it as an example, if for example a chicken goes broody or hen goes broody once a year, and then she's broken, which means that she's no longer broody, but without raising chicks. If she finishes out the process, she'll go broody again next year. But if she breaks without raising chicks, without raising any babies, she is more likely to go broody again shortly. No, you're not supposed to go in here. You're not supposed to go in here. That's your brother. Hey kids, come on. Come on, your food's in here. All right. Yeah, I'll just leave that open for the moment. Hey, come on. Come on, your door's open. All right. I'm going to play enforcer. All right, kids. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. You need to come out here. Come on. There you go. Come on. Nope. There you go. Come on. Go in your house. There you go. Good job. Okay. Now I can close in another group. And it looks like several of them have gone up on the roost. Okay, so there's food in there, there's water in there, and there's a broody in there. Okay, so I need to give her her eggs. They have been in the incubator, but she's been sitting for almost 2 weeks, and I know she's a proven broody, so I'm going to give her her eggs. The last time I gave her eggs from the incubator, and she raised them like a champ. And then a month later, but she weaned them, and I use that term deliberately. She weaned them when they were 4 weeks old. And then a month later, 4 weeks later, she went broody again. So let's see if she does a better job this time. I'm going to give her some eggs. They've been in the incubator, but this time she'll get to go through the whole process instead of just getting chicks handed to her when oh man, whoops, I keep knocking it. Oh well. This is my place. Whoop, did it again. That's the neighbor. Can you hear the babies? That's a nascent chicken tractor, and then we're back to the house. But in any case, that is the chickens. And they are learning to be broody, and they are learning to forage and take care of their own needs. And they are going to bed with full crops. I feed them at 3, and it is now 7-ish, something like that. And they've got full crops. The adults have full crops, so they're feeding themselves. I give them food twice a day, basically just scattered in the grass, and they have to go find it. Now, right now, they're not finding nesting spots. So I think I've got the broody coop that can be closed up, but I think I may set up some closable nesting boxes in the coop or in the on the walls up high. But right now, because I don't have a group that reliably goes broody, I have been collecting all of the eggs. So then I have to find the bird that's gone broody and give her eggs that I select. I only have, as I said, I only have 5 birds that have gone broody out of 25. I'm hoping for more in the coming weeks and in next year. And once they all reliably go broody, then I should be able to adjust my pattern so that they take care of it. They handle the broody and choose nests that can't be found by a predator and, you know, all that stuff. But here we are. Here's the broody coop. It can be closed off from the adult chickens. And I will give her her eggs tonight, and we'll see what she does. Talk with you tomorrow, or later anyway.